Data science is mathematics. What makes an algorithm work? How are we able to get these large language models that can write stories? If you want to understand data science, you have to understand mathematics. And that's what makes this program unique.
Introducing the Master's Program in Mathematical Data Science at USC Dornsife, a program created to meet the moment.
The demand for the data science jobs with rigorous training is ever increasing, and you see that almost every industry is now relying on data to guide their decision-making process. Unlike other data science programs that primarily teach students how to use existing codes from standard libraries, our mathematical data science program goes beyond that. Graduates will leave our program with advanced mathematical and statistical training that prepares the students with a set of key skills to create new data science techniques and machine learning algorithms.
Unparalleled advanced training, offering a novel, hands-on approach.
Students are going to be prepared to take on real data situations. And often these data sets are coming from programs across the USC Dornsife. We have earth science, biology, chemistry, physics. The idea is that we work on real data to build experiential learning that you can then take and build your portfolio to solve real-world problems.
Our program is on campus. We have limited the size of the class so students get more attention and interaction with their own cohort and also the faculty.
The faculty on our program, we have statisticians, mathematicians, and they really bring in this theoretical expertise. We have faculty who are even pushing the boundaries of how we approach AI using quantum computers.
The USC Trojan difference is access to leading minds in academia and industry in the heart of Los Angeles.
Students have the opportunity to interact with major industries. You have the proximity to all these places where you can get internships, interactions with real companies.
If you want to go beyond the traditional data science program training, the USC Dornsife Mathematical Data Science Master Program is for you.